Welcome to N'Ov0en Foods. Today I'm making Aloo Egg Atta Nashta. Crispy outside with a soft and flavorful potato egg filling inside. This is a simple homemade snack that's perfect for breakfast, lunchbox or evening tea. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon black seed or Kalonji, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Kalonji gives a unique aroma and flavor to dough. Add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a soft dough. Rub a little oil over the dough. Keep aside to rest. Now prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin, 1 green chilli. Now add 1 grated potato, 1 tablespoon onion, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the potato softens. Add some fresh coriander leaves. And let the mixture cool completely. Now add 1 egg and mix well. Do not add egg while the potato mixture is hot. Potato and egg together make a filling and tasty combo. Take small portion of dough. Resting the dough make it softer and easier to roll. And roll them out. Place the potato egg filling inside. And fold as shown. Seal the edges properly before frying. Fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Stuffed snacks are popular in many homemade breakfasts. Crispy fried breads are loved with tea. Egg provides protein and energy. Potato gives fullness and carbohydrates. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. Fresh coriander adds flavor and nutrients. Your crispy Aloo Egg Atta Nashta is ready. Serve hot with sauce or tea and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow N'Ov0en Foods for more easy homemade recipes.